Hello, in this video I will show you how to put SIM card and SD card into OPPO A2. So to put SIM card and SD card into your phone you have to have a pin like this, and now put your pin into this little hole right here and your SIM card should pop up, and now you can simply pull out your SIM tray, and now you can put your SIM card on your SIM tray like this. And you can also put your SD card on your SIM tray like this. And now you can put your SIM tray back into your phone. Just like this. And now your SIM card should work on your phone. And as you can see right here, I have network bars, so that this means that I have a network connection and my SIM card works. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.